In a unique blend of coffee culture and geopolitics, Starbucks has opened a new location at the Aegibong Peace Ecopark Observatory in South Korea, offering customers an unparalleled view of North Korea. Located less than a mile from the North Korean border, this Starbucks is not your typical coffee shop. Customers must pass through a military checkpoint to reach the observatory, which overlooks North Korea's Songgaksan Mountain and the village of Kaipong. Inside, the tables and windows are strategically positioned to provide a clear view of the North Korean landscape, making it a unique spot for coffee lovers and tourists alike. The observatory is part of the Aegibong Peace Ecopark, a site built on a hill that was a fierce battle site during the Korean War. The park symbolizes peace and harmony, offering visitors a chance to reflect on the past while enjoying modern amenities. Officials from the South Korean city of Gimpo, where the observatory is located, explained that opening the Starbucks is part of efforts to develop the border facilities as a tourist destination. They believe the coffee shop symbolizes robust security on the Korean peninsula through the presence of this iconic capitalist brand. As customers sip their lattes and cappuccinos, they can catch a glimpse of North Korea, making this Starbucks a unique intersection of culture, history, and geopolitics. With nearly 2,000 Starbucks locations across South Korea, this new branch at the Aegibong Peace Ecopark stands out as a symbol of peace and a unique tourist attraction, bridging the gap between two very different worlds.